Hello everyone. I thought I would take this chance just to make a wee video clip of myself, a chance just to catch up with you and hope that you guys are doing okay. It's been a bit of a weird time being at home, and Easter holidays maybe didn't seem much like a holiday as far as any different from beforehand or what we're about to do now, but I wanted to just check in and let you know that I'm doing okay, and that we've got some plans as to how we can help you with your home learning. So I've sent a PDF file on Show My Homework, as I had done the previous couple of weeks, but I wanted to take you through a couple of things, talk you through it basically, because there's a lot of words and I just wanted to summarise what I'm asking you to do, and you can let me know if there's any issues with it. So you should really have a piece of a PDF that looks a bit like this. If you don't, let me know. The key things on it are that the same couple of things that I had put on it before. Every week I'm going to give you a little revision task, which ideally you should do a little bit every day rather than trying to do it all first of all in the week. And then there's some new learning tasks that of course are going to be the things that we would have done in class. So it's important to try these. There'll be videos to support them. And it's about just trying to work through some of the exercises with help from somebody at home or from me if you need it. But really try and set yourself a target of doing a little bit every day, because it is really important to try and keep stretching yourself. One of the things we're going to add is a challenge of the week. This will be a task that's not related to necessarily to what were the new learning task, something that you can have a go at as a different, just to break up the different tasks. Hopefully something that you can spend a little bit of time on or a lot of time on, depending on if you're interested in it or not. So I'm going to give you that option as well. And then, as well as that, some of you have been putting like a Hoot quiz up. I'm going to put one of those up every week just for, again, something different, a bit of fun. And for the first year class, you guys should be logged on to SumDog. Your information, your log-on details are on your PDF sheet. Let me know if you have any issues logging on, but I'd like you to do that a couple of times a week at least, just to kind of keep going with some of these activities. Okay, a couple of new things we're going to do from here on in. The first is that there's going to be a Friday fact finder. That's my way of just checking in on how you're getting on with a few things. And we're going to use diagnostic questions for that. So I'll say a little bit more about that in a moment. So that's going to be the kind of Friday quiz. And the other thing is I'm going to be getting you to send evidence to me of how you're getting on with your work, just little photographs, snapshots, and I'll say more of that in a minute as well. Okay. So one of the important things is this table that is on your PDF today, because that tells you about the different groups. Most of you are getting this via Show My Homework, so you're logged onto that, and most of you are either in the Edmodo group or your Microsoft Teams group. But if you're not, could you make sure that you're logged onto it, because I can keep information up there longer than Show My Homework. So it's a good thing to be able to use. There's the instructions column at the bottom. Instructions is just a little video clip as to how to log on to those things. Okay, so the important one is the one at the bottom, diagnostic questions, because that's new to everybody this week. So the first thing I want you to do is to actually log into diagnostic questions. So there's a class code. You just need to log on to the website, set up an account. It'll ask you to join a class, so use the class code that's on that table. There is a little instruction video that I made up on YouTube if you have any problems with it. You will find there's a little quiz there. It's just going to be a couple of questions just to physically kind of get used to it. It's very much like complete maths, if you remember doing that, if any of you did that. There's multiple choice quizzes. So I want you to do that one today, just to get the idea of it and to make sure I can see your responses to that, okay, and just to make sure that you've tried it. So that's I want you to do for that. The second thing I want you to do is to understand that I'd like you, for each of the tasks of the week, so the revision task and then the kind of 2 or 3 new learning tasks, each time you do one of those, I want you to take a snapshot, a picture of it, and send it to me, okay, on Show My Homework. there's instructions on the PDF as to how to upload that. So if you're not sure, you can check out the link to that. It's easier if you use the app on your phone. You just need to literally take a snapshot of it and you can upload it. So all we need to do today is to try it. So for the homework that I'm issuing today, which is just to do all this, okay, there's no math stuff, no textbook work or anything. Your homework is log into Diagnostic Questions and take the quiz. And secondly, I want you to think of something that makes you smile. Okay, so it could be your pet, it could be a cat, it could be your garden, or it could be your PlayStation, or it could be if you want to draw a picture of something. It doesn't have to be something in the house, or it could just, you could write down something on a bit of paper that says, you know, my friend. Take a picture of it. It's not what the content of it, it's the actual fact of you trying to upload that onto Show My Homework to show that you've submitted your homework. Okay, so that's your homework for today. By the end of today or first thing tomorrow, I'm going to have those tasks all set out for you for the week, your revision and new learning tasks and in your challenge and stuff. So that's all I want you to do today. If you have any issues, please email me or message me on Show My Homework. I should have really put up my email address, but I'll put it up just now, shall I? Maybe not, because I can't. Okay, so it's I'll put my email address should be on the PDF as well. But Show My Homework is good a way to message me. Please let me know if you can't do any of this, or if there's a particular thing that you can't do, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Okay. I know the weather's meant to be really good this week, but just try and make sure you spend a little bit of time on this each day, because you would have if you were at school. Okay, so don't get too waylaid, but at the same time, it's really important to relax and still keep a good frame of mind, because that's really important. In fact, that's the most important thing, is that you feel positive. So engage with me, engage with the work, and we'll work together on this. Okay, have a good day.